pump to cover today?
Yes, this time it is the preferred penny stocks outfit. They're touting a pub crawl holdings Inc. or ticker symbol PBCW.
The company shot up 238% in yesterday's trading, and traders may have been a little too enthusiastic with this one.
That may very well be the case. You should keep in mind that PBCW used to be a shell company with insignificant assets and revenue up until a week ago when they acquired a Mobile Dynamic Marketing Inc. or MDM. Let's consult an avid investor. Sir, can you hear us?
I hear you, I said.
What is your take on PBCW?
I won't spend my money on this, man. I ain't no fool.
I see. Can you elaborate?
It's a pump scheme, I said. I like making money, not throwing them away.
Thank you for your input. Indeed, there are some points of concern about the company. For starters, the company didn't provide any updated information on its financial situation after the acquisition of MDM.
Yes, and while legally they still have some time to file such information with the SEC, they're actually leaving the public with no way to know what is the real worth in PBCW. All they can know is that before the acquisition, the company had about $2,000 to account for all of its assets.
On top of that, post-trading session, the company issued a press release which didn't give the public any information that there is a pump job going on currently and that the valuation of the company may be unreal. Instead, the management chose to tout the recent acquisition of MDM.
Funny they chose to issue the press release yesterday and not when they filed the 8K about the acquisition, choosing to file it the day that the paid pump starts.
For those who follow the pump jobs happening on the OTC market, this may not be such a great mystery. Actually, the company employed a certain Carillo Huttle as its legal counsel, and if you do some research, you will find out that the original CEO of PBCW was actually a certain Mr. Peter Kramer, who used to work at the same Carillo Huttle.
And for those of you that are not familiar with the name, this company has been involved with most of the ugliest pump jobs performed by preferred penny stocks and awesome penny stocks. This list includes names like Pristine Solutions Inc. or PRTN, Sun Peaks Ventures or SNPK, and No String Resources or NSRSE. And recent pump jobs by preferred penny stocks have also ended in disaster.
The most recent of those was PacWest Equities or PWEID. The company is now 80% down from its peak values during the pump. Another one would be Marine Drive Mobile Corp or MDMC, which is now over 90% down.
In addition, PBCW recently executed a 45-for-1 forward stock split, a practice used by most of the aforementioned companies.
As usual, we realize that when we cover pump jobs, there will be people calling us haters or bashers, but all the same, we advise you to be very careful with this one.
Yes, don't be duped by empty promises and paid pumps. Do your research, stay safe, and happy trading.
Hello, this is Brian Fisher. I'm the publisher of HotStock.com. You probably landed on this page because you're looking for more information on a particular stock. What you may not know is that this stock is making a chart pattern which has already been seen in the market thousands of times. So, if you were able to look up all of the previous times this happened and count how many stocks went up or down after the signal, you would know the probability of this stock. I provided a link to a free piece of software that you can download that will tell you just that. If you're thinking about trading this stock, you may be walking into a situation where the odds are 80% that it will fail, or maybe the odds are 80% that it will go up sharply. Isn't that something that you should know? With one click, you can look up any stock and get the probability. In addition to the chart probability, you can see the earnings trend, the trends in revenue, a consensus of all analyst estimates on Wall Street, and the average price target. If you want more information, you can use the software to get a complete research report on the company. Okay, so this is great for looking up one stock, But what if you want to know which stocks today have the highest probability to increase? That is the big idea behind Hot Stock Precision. This software scans the charts of every single stock on the market every day. You can sort by which stocks have just made signals with the highest probability to make huge moves up or down in the next few days. If you're looking for something more specific, you can see the highest probability penny stocks, the best from Wall Street Research, or the best short sale candidates. Our software has already been downloaded by over 200,000 people. We've had reports from users making from $500 a day to over $75,000 a month using this program. Once you have tried it, you're never going to want to trade again without it. But I don't want you to take my word for it, or the word of the thousands of users that have already made great reviews. I want you to try it for yourself, absolutely free. So go ahead and click on the download link. Follow the simple instructions to get your free copy today.